I got trapped in your eyes the moment you looked at me. From across the room, those eyes kept following me. Something popped in my brain. Now, baby, only you I see. Feels like I'm going insane, and only you can save me.
Hey everyone, I just got finished an awesome but intense workout consisting of just 2 movements. The first one was a jump rope exercise, the jog step crisscross. The other one was a bodyweight exercise, the deep squat. And I did these 2 movements in a ladder system. So the first set I did 50 jog step crisscrosses and 10 deep squats. The second set I did 40 jog step crisscrosses and 20 deep squats. So the jog step crisscross, they decreased by 10 reps each set, while the squats increased by 10 reps on each set. It was a fantastic workout. It's extremely fatiguing for your legs. I chose to do jog step crisscrosses because the move involves a lot of coordination, and when your thighs are tired, it becomes that much more difficult to do. If you can't do these 2 moves, you could substitute 2 other exercises that you can do.
Recently, I've been hanging around with a friend from Australia, and he's a big proponent of doing bodyweight squats and squats with weights. So I thought about including more squats into my workouts. I've always done some squats. I like to do some squat sits every day, but since talking with him, I've been doing a lot of hikes with him recently. So since then, I've been including a lot more squatting into my workouts. And squats are a fantastic way to strengthen your thigh muscles, and they're also very fatiguing. Combining deep squats like I have done in this video with a jump rope exercise produces a lot of fatigue in your leg muscles. And a workout like this, even though it was only 12 minutes, will produce a high calorie burn. So after this workout, I must admit, my legs were quite sore for a few days, but I have since done this workout and my legs weren't as sore afterwards. You do get used to doing a lot of deep squats like this. So this was just a fantastic exercise, and the air on this particular day was pretty cold, so it made the workout a little bit more difficult, but super enjoyable. As you can see in the background, the sun was setting, so it's just a really nice day to get outside and get a great workout in. This weekend, Floyd Mayweather is fighting. He has an exhibition fight in Japan. There hasn't really been a lot of talk about it in the media or on YouTube, but I'm really looking forward to that. It will be interesting to see what happens with this event. I wonder, is he doing a lot of training? Who knows? So it's a 3-round fight. So I'm combining jog step crisscrosses with squats, and the reason I chose jog step crisscrosses is because they do involve a good deal of coordination and timing. And when you combine them with squats, they become much more difficult because, as I said, squats are really tiring movement. And when we become tired, often our fatigue and our coordination lowers. So combining them with the jump rope move that involves a good deal of coordination makes you have to focus that much more. So I was trying to do the workout without making any mistakes, which I did, but it just means I had to focus that much more. So when I'm doing these squats, I'm trying to go down in a controlled manner, and I'm raising my body up in a controlled manner. And as you can see, I'm going as low as I can, or about as low as I can when I do these squats. And I'm being careful not to make my knees go past my toes when I'm getting into the squat. If your knees point too far past your toes, it can put too much unnecessary pressure on your knees. So when you're doing the squat, you want to focus on keeping your body weight on your heels. It's not easy for balance. If you're new to doing squats, you might not be able to get down that low because it does require a good deal of balance, especially if you want to keep your body weight on your heels. So as you can see here, I'm taking very little rest between sets. And I'm trying to do these jog step crisscrosses at a pretty good speed. As I was saying, my thighs were pretty tired from doing these squats. So at times it might not look like I'm going fast, but I am trying to go quite fast. You might also notice that the jump rope that I'm using, it looks quite short. It's really not going that high over my head. I've been using this particular rope for quite a while, and little pieces keep breaking off, but I just keep using the same rope. So the rope is getting shorter, but that can make it more difficult to jump rope. The shorter the rope, the faster it's going to spin around. So you have to stay on your feet. You have to use good footwork with a shorter rope. Shorter the rope, the faster the rope will rotate. So the faster, the more jumps you will have to do in a jump rope workout. It is a good technique if you want to burn more calories in your jump rope workouts and improve your footwork. So I'm wearing a hat in this video, as you can see. It's temperature on this particular day, I believe it was -2, but just because it's getting cold now, that doesn't mean we have to stop going outside and getting a good workout in. We spend so much of our days inside now that sometimes we don't want to get outside because it's uncomfortable being outside in the cold weather. But because we spend so much time indoors, it's a good idea just to get outside, get some fresh air, expose yourself to some skin, or expose your skin to cold weather, and you'll be back inside in the warm temperatures soon enough. And exercising outside in cold weather makes you appreciate the comfort of warmth that much more. But if you're just inside all the time and you're in comfortable, warm indoors, you don't appreciate it as much. The cold makes you appreciate the heat. So if you want to try this workout, but you can't do jog step crisscrosses, for example, or maybe you can't do them in sets of as many as 50 repetitions, for example, then just use a different jump rope move. Choose a jump rope move that you're comfortable with doing. And you don't have to do deep squats. Squat as low as is comfortable for you. And see if you can complete this type of workout. I have a set of keys on the roof, which is you can't really see from here, but I'm using that to help keep track of the sets that I'm doing. I often use stones. I'll move a stone or some stones from one side of the roof to the other to keep track of the number of sets that I've been doing. But in this case, I'm just using a set of keys. So I have plenty more jump rope and fitness videos on the way out, or coming very soon, and I'll just leave you with the rest of this workout. Alright, well, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below in the comment section. I love hearing from fellow fitness enthusiasts and jump rope warriors. Alright, thanks for watching. Until next time.